Now that we have successfully made a connection string between our local computer and the website server, we can now see the remote server populating on the left panel. Within this left panel, depending on your website server and its configuration, you'll have to identify where the website folders should go. The website folders that are presented to us in this scenario is the cache folder, the logs, the mal directory, and also the .com folder. Our website server company has indicated that the .com folder is where our website files should be housed. Other website server companies also commonly utilize a folder called public_HTML. That may be the structure of where your documents for your website are to be placed. In this scenario, we will utilize our .com folder for the insertion of our website files. There are two ways to accomplish this. One, we can select the local files on the right panel and drag and drop into the folder. The alternative method is to double-click and make sure you have selected the folder that you would like to drop the files within. Make sure on the right you have also highlighted the files and click the button that says Put Files to the Remote Server, the upward arrow. By clicking this, your files should now be placed on the server. Our instance is requesting us if the dependent files should also be included in the transfer. The dependent files for our instance are the images, and we will click Yes. If you have noticed, Dreamweaver did not place the images or the index.html correctly as it does not understand our site structure. This can occur when we have not properly identified the file folder for it to place the files, or we did not correctly select the file folder for its permissions. We'll double click again and ensure the file has opened and place up, and we have gotten another error. The error is indicating that the operation failed because the two folders for our local site and our website server do not correspond to one another. Therefore, we will either need to rename our local file folder from My Demo Website to be named as our .com folder, or we can manage our website server by going into the following menu option. We will first deselect the collapse to show so we can see the full Dreamweaver panel and go to Site, Manage Sites. Make sure we click on our website that we are managing and click on the edit icon, which is the pencil. Another window will now bring upon our website that we can modify, and we will click on the servers. We will now click on the server that we just created, in this instance, the test server, and click the Edit Existing Server button, which is also pencil. Here we can now add in the root directory for Dreamweaver to understand this is where all of our website files will go. We have now successfully added the structure, and we will close by saving all of the windows. We will now expand to show our server, and we will recreate the connection between the test server and our local site. As you can see, we are now logged in to our .com folder. By selecting the images and the index and placing the put file, all of our files will now make it to the server.